When it comes to blending performance, brightness, and simplicity, the Epson CO-FH02 stands out as a solid all-around projector for home, office, or classroom use. Designed to deliver crisp, detailed visuals, this 3 LCD 1080p projector gives you the kind of image quality that makes everything, from movies to PowerPoint slides, look sharp and engaging. With its compact design, powerful light output, and easy setup, it's a great example of what Epson does best, making projectors that are reliable and visually stunning. The heart of the Epson CO-FH02 is its full HD 1080p resolution, providing a clean, precise image that captures every detail. Whether you're streaming content, gaming, or presenting visuals, it displays colors that are true to life and well-balanced. Thanks to Epson's advanced 3 LCD technology, the image brightness is evenly distributed across all colors. That means reds, greens, and blues appear more natural, without the rainbow or color-breaking effects often seen in other projectors. With 3000 ANSI lumens of brightness, the CO-FH02 is built to perform even in rooms with ambient light. You don't need complete darkness to get an enjoyable viewing experience. This level of brightness allows it to handle everything from conference presentations to living room movie nights. Colors remain punchy, text is readable, and contrast levels hold steady. You get smooth and consistent visuals whether you're in a classroom, office, or home environment. Setting up the Epson CO-FH02 is incredibly straightforward. Plug it in, connect your source through HDMI, and you're ready to project. It supports image sizes up to a massive 391 inches, creating a true cinematic feel on nearly any surface. The keystone correction feature makes sure your projection is properly aligned, even if the projector isn't centered directly in front of the screen. That flexibility makes it convenient for both fixed installations and portable setups. The design is minimalist, clean, and practical. Its white finish blends easily into modern spaces, and its small form factor makes it easy to move between rooms or locations. It operates quietly and comes with a built-in speaker that works fine for smaller spaces. For a more immersive sound, you can connect external speakers or a soundbar via its audio out port or HDMI connection. Connectivity is simple but efficient. The HDMI input supports laptops, gaming consoles, streaming sticks, and more. Whether you're connecting a PS5, Fire TV stick, or your laptop for a presentation, the CO-FH02 handles it effortlessly. It's perfect for people who want a straightforward setup without needing to mess around with complicated settings. Durability and longevity are also major advantages. Epson projectors are known for lasting performance, and the CO-FH02 keeps that reputation alive. The lamp can last up to 12,000 hours in eco mode, meaning years of consistent use before needing a replacement. That's great value for a projector in this price range, especially considering its visual performance and brand reliability. Overall, the Epson CO-FH02 brings together high brightness, great color performance, and easy usability in a compact design. It's versatile enough for any environment, from movie marathons at home to professional presentations. The image quality is bright, the setup is fast, and the reliability is classic Epson. If you're looking for a dependable 1080p projector that delivers real visual clarity without a hefty price tag, the Epson CO-FH02 is a smart choice. It's all about getting the right balance between performance, portability, and long-term value. If you want to buy this Epson CO-FH02 data projector 3000 ANSI lumens 3 LCD 1080p 1920 by 1080 white, then please visit the link provided in the description.